back to Diecast Domination. This is Dev coming to you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys are enjoying your lovely day. God bless you all. Now, I'm glad that you are here because in today's session, I will be showcasing car Lomo S-Class rims and how you can upgrade them. Make your car look top shelf. Make it look even more cool than it already is. Now, the idea behind modification of car Lomo rims is only one. Sometimes your 1/64 scale models might not roll, and for that you might need to do some hard work. And this is actually some hard labor of love. You are gonna enjoy the outcome, the results that you get from this modification. Car Lomo S-Class, what's so special about them? These wheels come with bearings. So these are friction-free wheels. Once you start spinning them, they will spin forever. Tarmac Works Nissan Silvia S15, and this one looks amazing. Solid details, but I do believe this model has a lot more potential, and we will unlock that potential by changing the rims today. Let's see first of all if we are able to do it. We are gonna open up the chassis and check it out. So this turned out to be perfect because it has the gaps right over there for axles and the shafts to go right through. These are the ones that I will be modifying the S15 with. First off, I would like to showcase what's in the package. In the box, you are gonna get 6 different pieces. 4 of them are gonna be for your wheels, and 2 are the main shafts which these tubes will go in. You can glue them up and your car will be ready. And I will be using none other than our famous Crazy Glue. Has 1,000 pound of hold, so should be pretty good for these miniature tires. Now you guys can sit back and enjoy the content. I will be modifying this car. Please watch all the steps one by one and carefully so you guys can also get the same knowledge and share the same knowledge. Let's get started.